Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use MetaTrader 5 on PC for beginners. Before getting started, let me tell you what MetaTrader 5 is. MetaTrader 5 is a multi-asset trading platform widely used by retail traders and investors to trade various financial instruments including forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It offers advanced trading features, analytical tools, and customization options, making it popular among traders of all levels. In order to use MetaTrader 5 on your PC, you'll first need to download and install the application. To do so, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in metacodes.net/MetaTrader5. Press enter on your keyboard and click on the MetaTrader 5 option from the main home page. Now scroll down and then click on Download MetaTrader 5 link. This will now start downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup file. Once the download is complete, click Open File and start your setup. You can also sign up for MQL5 services right from this option over here on the screen. After the installation is done, click Finish. Now, if you don't have an account with MetaTrader 5, then you can simply go ahead and open for a new account. Add a company name and address and click on Find Your Company, or simply go ahead and click on this option over here and click Next. Now, you can start off by opening up a demo account to trade virtual money without risk so that you can practice on trading. If you want to open up a real account, you can choose Open Real Account option right underneath. If you have an existing trade account, you can click on this last option and enter your login and password for your existing trade account. Choose your server from the list and click on Finish if you are trying to log into an existing one. But if you are trying to open up a demo account for now, click on this first option and click Next. Write down a first name for your demo account, enter your second name, and then enter an email address. Select your country from the drop down, or you can also enter your country code. Also make sure to enter your phone number, select a server from the list, and agree to the terms and conditions for opening an account. Check on this little box at the bottom and click Next. Soon after you do that, you will be redirected to the server that you've selected, and you will need to now log into the server. If you're not a client of theirs yet, click on Sign Up and follow through the sign up process. Select your country of residence, enter your email, phone number, and create a password. After you are done setting up everything, click Sign Up. Now open up your email inbox and follow the instructions to activate your account. Open the email that you just received and then click on Confirm Email. Now log into the account that you just created by entering your credentials. Now, after you are inside the main home page, familiarize yourself with the different sections such as Market Watch, Chart Window, Navigators, and Terminals. These sections provide access to various trading tools, instruments, and account information. Customize the platform setting according to your preferences. You can adjust the chart properties, set up alerts, and configure trading parameters to suit your trading style. Utilizing the charting tools and technical indicators available on MetaTrader 5 can be used to analyze financial markets and identify potential trading opportunities. Once you've analyzed your market and identified a trading opportunity, you can place trades directly from MetaTrader 5 platform. Be sure to regularly review your trading performance and analyze your trades to identify strengths and area for improvement. So that is how you can easily use MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Remember to practice responsible trading and risk management while using MetaTrader 5 on your PC. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.